Peru is a country well known for its incredible Incan ruins and unparalleled food scene. But did you know Peru also has emerald-colored lakes, a desert oasis hidden in kilometer-tall sand dunes, and multicolored mountains that are so beautiful they are used as a Microsoft desktop background? Peru has so many wonderful places to visit that it can be difficult to decide where to spend your time. So in this video, we will share our top 7 places to visit in Peru and show you just how beautiful this country is. Coming in at number 7, we have Lima, Peru's capital city. More than 10 million people call Lima home, which can make traffic a nightmare, but the beautiful coastline that Lima occupies makes the city stand out. With plenty of walkways, green spaces, colonial-style buildings, and arguably the best gastronomy in all of South America, Lima is an excellent place to spend at least one day. If you're a cat lover, don't forget to head to Kennedy Park in Miraflores to spend some time with the dozens of cats that call this park home. 6th on our list is the newly discovered Rainbow Mountains located in the Peruvian Andes. Until 2013, these colorful mountains were covered in snow and ice year-round, and their beauty was left unknown to tourists. Since their discovery and introduction as a tourist attraction, visiting the Rainbow Mountains has become a common stop on nearly every traveler's itinerary during their visit to Peru. The multicolored mountains are an easy day trip from Cusco, and although it requires an early morning start, the journey to the Rainbow Mountains is also stunning and is well worth staying awake for. Coming in at number 5 is Mancora, a gorgeous beach town known for its soft sand, year-round sun, and chill vibe. Mancora is best visited between June and November when there is very little rainfall and whales can be spotted, but this small northern town is an excellent destination for beach lovers any time of year. In 4th place, we have the ancient city of Cusco. Cusco was the capital of the Inca Empire before the Spanish conquest, and it is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the Western Hemisphere. Not only does the city host beautiful festivals paying homage to its Incan heritage, but it also boasts many historical attractions and archaeological sites that keep visitors entertained while they acclimatize to the city's 3,400-meter elevation. Taking 3rd place on our list is Huacachina, the desert oasis hidden in towering sand dunes. This small paradise feels like it was plopped in the middle of nowhere, but it has become an adrenaline junkie's dream and is well worth the visit. The most popular activity in Huacachina is to sardine into a huge sand buggy, get shaken around like you're inside a washing machine, and then try your hand at sand skiing or sandboarding on the massive dunes that are way scarier from the top than they are from the bottom. In our opinion, the second best thing to do in Peru is to visit Machu Picchu. This world wonder is, in fact, all it's cracked up to be. The ruins have been partially restored and are in very good condition, making it possible to imagine the lives that were lived here before the Spanish invaded and the city was abandoned. What makes Machu Picchu so incredible is the scenery surrounding it. Set high up on the mountain and surrounded by thick cloud forest, walking through Machu Picchu forces you to take notice of the incredible secrets our world can have and just how much there is to explore. Taking first place of our top 7 things to do in Peru is to hike the Salkantay Trail to Machu Picchu. This 74-kilometer trek weaves through the Andes Mountains and takes hikers to a breathless altitude of 4,600 meters. One of the reasons this trek is our number 1 thing to do in Peru is because during the hike, you will visit the beautiful Humantay Lake. The emerald blue waters are glacier-fed, pristine, and make the perfect reward after a long day of hiking. The entire Salkantay Trail is typically completed in 3 to 4 days and is the best investment of time you can make during your trip to Peru. If you want to know more about these locations, check out our Peru playlist to see more videos showing the beauty this country has to offer.